Welcome to Pope Family Farms. We're a diverse, family-owned and operated farm in Paris, Kentucky. Here's a small glimpse into the many different branches of our operation. For those of you who don't know, we have an on-site market where we sell products grown by our family on our farm and even a few other local family farms. We consider ourselves a true farmers market, and our goal is not only to sustain our own family, but to help support other agricultural families. Our staple crops for our market are tomatoes, sweet corn, beef, chicken, and pork. We also raise a variety of other vegetables as well as row crops. This diversification helps to financially sustain our family. Our family makes up the entirety of our workforce. Parents, Tim and Christy, and their 6 kids, Amanda, Liz, Audrey, Lydia, Charlie, and Mary Violet, as well as Liz's husband Dakota and Audrey's husband Cooper, work full-time on the farm to maintain our large operation. We raise 165 acres of soybeans, 110 acres of field corn, 100 acres of alfalfa, and 20 acres of wheat. Each year, we typically raise around 1,000 meat birds, including turkeys and chickens. We also have a large flock of laying hens that supply eggs for our growing market. Our largest project is our beef cattle herd. Our cattle are 100% grass-fed. The only cattle on our farm that receive grain are the milk cows, bulls, and occasionally breeding stock when being moved. This helps them to remain docile and safe as we rotate the fields regularly. Our herd consists of over 900 head of cattle, including finished calves for our retail market, as well as a large commercial distributor. The most common breeds that we use to achieve hybrid vigor are Angus, Charolais, Simmental, Hereford, Salers, and Shorthorn. Our herd requires around 25 to 30 bulls on rotation to allow for fresh turn-ins and backup for potential injuries. In addition to the 100 acres of alfalfa that we harvest each year, we also put up at least 3 million pounds of hay each year to sustain our cattle herd through the winter months. Our market is open every day except for Sunday in the late spring and summer months for our customers to come in and shop. Then in the fall and winter, we slow down to 3 days a week. If you want to watch and learn more about our family farm and our life on the homestead, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.